Hello, my name is Louis Oliver, and today I'd like to talk to you about two great apps that I found that work so well together, Flipgrid and Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is part of the Office 365 package, so once you log on to your Office 365 account, you'll come to the waffle and see the icon for Microsoft Teams. Just click on it and it will take you to the teams that you have set up. If you don't have any teams set up, you can simply add a team. And the teams can be classrooms, it can be groups that you work with, it can be your professional learning community, it can be whatever group you want to work with. I have two of my classes, my ELL E block and F block, my English language learners classes, and I already have embedded several Flipgrid grids into it, so I'll just quickly show you that. So here is one, and as you can tell, it looks very much like it would if you went to flipgrid.com and logged on that way. In addition, I also have embedded our global classroom created by our friend Bronwyn Joyce from Australia and her students. A great way to teach the global goals with some amazing information. If you haven't checked it out, I highly recommend that you do so. I also have a shared grid that is on both classes when I want the students to do the same topics. An example of that is our Skype-a-thon for November 28th that I've set up with a class from Puerto Rico, and we have our grid ready to go for that. So how do you do this? Well, you simply go to where the tabs are at the top. You click the plus where it says add a tab. It takes you to this area, and there are many options of things that you can add, including the Microsoft Office products such as OneNote and Word and PowerPoint and Excel, the online versions of those programs, as well as many other apps that you can add, including websites. And one of them is Flipgrid, which made me so very happy. So when you click on Add Flipgrid, this is what you come to. And you can put in the grid code or type in the URL if you haven't memorized. And if you don't, like I don't, you simply can go to your account. If you don't have an account, just click on Create a Free Admin Account. You can create a free Flipgrid One account, and I highly recommend you do that if you don't have an account. Since I do have an account, I will go to the admin login, and I will find the grid that I want to add. In this case, the Staying Connected grid. I click on the grid, I go to Share Grid, and I copy the URL address. I go back to Microsoft Teams, and I simply right click and paste, or use Control V and hit enter. Once I do that, the grid appears right here. I click on the save button, and just like magic, it shows up. It is now part of Microsoft Teams. Why does this make me so happy? Because my students are used to using Microsoft Teams. They know they log on. They don't have to worry about putting in any other logins. They don't need to know any other URL addresses to go to. It just brings things together. Their OneNote class notebook is in Microsoft Teams. We're able to do chat. We're able to do many things, and of course, enjoy the amazing program Flipgrid and all of the topics that are available to us, including the global connections and the discovery area and so much more. I highly recommend that you give this a try. Feel free to send me any questions that you might have, and have yourself a great day.